Hello friends, today I am going to explain you complete body arteries in a one single diagram. After watching this video, your concepts are clear about whole body artery supply from head to toe. So this is a very easy program and very easy video. You can save this video, share with your friends also. Let's start. Okay, so arterial blood flow. Let's begin. Your first blood is start pumping in your body from left ventricle of the heart. LV is a left ventricle. We start from here, then it reaches to the ascending aorta, and after that ascending aorta, I'm going to explain. From ascending aorta, two branches are coming out, that is right coronary artery and left coronary artery, LCA or RCA. AA is ascending aorta, which I explain here. Here it is sternum notch, which I explain like dots. And after that, there is a arch of aorta. From arch of aorta, three branches arises. Arch of aorta ends at sternum border, like brachiocephalic artery and left common carotid artery and left subclavian artery. Okay, and from brachiocephalic artery arises two branches like right subclavian artery and right common carotid artery. I hope till here it's clear. From right and left common carotid artery, two branches are arises like external carotid right and internal carotid right. From left common carotid, two branches are arises, internal carotid left and external carotid left. Let's move towards the subclavian artery. From brachiocephalic trunk right, from first rib border, there is arisement of same artery continuation, but it called as axillary artery up to the teres major lower border. And after that, the continuation of artery is considered as BA, is brachial artery. Arm is also known as brachial. From cubital fossa, this artery divides into two parts, like right axillary right radial artery, and UA is ulnar artery, two branches. From right radial artery, not right, yes, this is right radial artery and right ulnar artery. From left hand is left ulnar or left radial, we can say, or ulnar or radial, you can say. From right axillary artery, there is a branches, gives like a superficial branch, and this is continuation of radial artery. And from ulnar artery, two branches one branch arises, that is deep branch of ulnar artery, and superficial branch of radial palmar artery is arises from radial artery. So I hope till here it's clear. Now what happened, this ulnar artery connects with superficial branch of radial artery, so this is known as superficial palmar arch. And deep branch of ulnar artery, it's combined with radial artery, so deep palmar arch is known as. And after that, there is a metacarpal arteries, and after that, continuation of digital branch of arm hand. So hope it's clear about upper limb. Now move towards the vertebral arteries are here. Here is a two branch vertebral arteries and right and left vertebral artery. So guys, from external carotid artery, it does not supply the brain. External carotid artery, there is a part like anterior 3, posterior 2, medial 1 and terminal 2 branches. I am going to explain this external carotid artery in an individual video. From external carotid artery, branches like facial artery, superior thyroid artery, posterior auricular artery, superficial temporal artery, facial artery, maxillary artery, these are I'm going to explain in an individual video. Here I am going to clear your concepts about whole body artery circulation. And internal carotid arteries, also right and left, and also arises from here from the brachiocephalic trunk, common carotid artery, right vertebral artery, and left vertebral artery arises from subclavian artery. So let's discuss in a second video this vertebral artery, right vertebral artery and left vertebral artery, when they join together make a basilar artery, and it gives two branches like posterior cerebral and right and left posterior cerebral arteries, and make a diagram of hexagonal like this hexagonal, and this two circular branch is internal carotid artery, and from here it arises middle cerebral artery, and these two upper are anterior cerebral arteries, and this branch communicates with this arch, and this is known as posterior communicating artery, and this communicate this to anterior cerebral artery, this is anterior communicating artery. Okay, so hope this is also clear. Now move forward. Okay, and this arc of aorta ends at where? Sternal angle. Then descending aorta arises. Descending aorta come up to the thorax is known as thoracic aorta, and after the diaphragmatic opening this aorta lower down, and this is known as abdominal aorta. In abdominal aorta, there is multiple branches like celiac plexus, superior mesenteric artery, inferior mesenteric arteries, renal arteries, gonadal arteries. I'm going to explain in an individual part. So let's move downward. There is a terminal branch of abdominal aorta where the common iliac arteries are there, right and left common iliac artery. Right CIA is common iliac. Then this right common iliac arteries forms into right iliac, external iliac and right internal iliac. This right internal iliac also divides into two, posterior division and anterior division of internal iliac arteries. Up to the ligament, inguinal ligament, it is considered as right external artery, and after the inguinal ligament same artery continues, we name as femoral artery, FA. And from the hiatus of magnum, and this artery enters and converts into popliteal artery. From popliteal fossa, the artery divides into two, anterior tibial and posterior tibial artery. Okay, and this another branch, a small branch, is known as common peroneal artery, which arises from posterior tibial, and this continuation of the same artery, posterior tibial, divides into two, lateral plantar artery and medial plantar artery, and this anterior tibial artery continues from the medial malleolus. After the continuation is known as dorsalis pedis artery. So guys, this diagram is whole body arterial supply in a very short and sweet manner, by which you understand which artery supply which. And in my next videos I am going to explain you individually, like abdominal aorta, all branches, celiac plexus, upper limb in a detail, lower limb in a detail, internal iliac, external iliac, vertebral arteries, everything in a deep details you are going to receive. Thoracic aorta, individual branches. Okay, so guys, this is a basic of the arteries. If you know this basic, that means you are a genius. So firstly you have to understand the basics. If your base is strong, then only you are able to understand everything in body, and one complete venous supply, nerve supply, muscles, bones, every video I am going to make individually. If you like this video, put like on it. If somebody is new on my channel, please subscribe this channel, and this video boost your basic. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye.